What happened to him? He introduced the MD600 Alpha into his life, a wireless split ergonomic mechanical keyboard which will transform the way you look at keyboards. With its ergonomic design, the MD600 Alpha allows you to freely locate the right and the left side of the keyboard according to your body build, height, and working environment, so that the keyboard is aligned with your shoulder width, providing maximum comfort for your shoulders and wrists. Equipped with a Connect locker, the MD600 Alpha can be locked quickly and with ease. It can be reduced to 60% of its size, making it both portable and lightweight. It can be split or attached at your leisure. MD600 Alpha is equipped with a curvy layout designed with finger length and press distance in mind. The distance allows your 10 fingers to relax and be slightly opened, so each finger can quickly and easily find the area it is targeting. Whether the keyboard is separated or attached as a 60% keyboard, it will reduce finger fatigue and increase input accuracy. The keycaps are made of high-quality PBT from two-shot injection molding, so the keycaps will never fade or chip off. Both the left and right sides of MD600 Alpha can be used independently for different needs. The left side keyboard also comes with a Bluetooth LED RGB backlit effect and macro programming function, not only boosting your gaming and working experience, but also freeing up more desktop space for added efficiency. The MD600 Alpha comes with multiple LED RGB backlit settings, allowing you to set your own unique lighting effects. Easily sync and customize your keyboard based on your mood. Equipped with 2000 mAh lithium battery for longer standby time, MD600 Alpha supports LED RGB backlit effect in Bluetooth mode. How does your wrist feel today? MD600 Alpha is decked out with 4 magnetic rubber feet that allow you to adjust the keyboard angle and height freely according to your personal preferences. These adjustments make the keyboard a better fit, taking into account the shoulder width and wrist position, and reduce the burden on the wrist to the shoulder. MD600 Alpha is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 and can connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously. You can connect to a new device with a simple push of the BT connecting button and switch freely between multiple devices while using the keyboard. MD600 Alpha is compatible with both Mac OS and Windows, and users can easily switch between different operating systems via the dip switch on the keyboard bottom. MD600 Alpha redefines the role of keyboard in your life. No more fatigue and pain caused by bad posture. No more space limited by the keyboard. Freely build your own customized living space tailored specifically to your needs with MD600 Alpha.